Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a regular makeup tutorial. I'm going to try this. It is supposed to be baked, but it's actually baby powder because I'm broke. So let's just begin. I got this. I'm gonna try and dab that. I'm gonna try this concealer. Wait. I haven't used this in a while. I'm gonna try it because I'm running on my other concealer stuff. So I'm just gonna try this.
Now we feel like we just now getting there. Ain't got no other way, so we started and finished it. No pain, no gain. Never stand down, made our own way. Never going slow, we pick up the pace. This is what we wanted from a young age. No emotion, that's what business is.
Now I'm just gonna blend this out. So it looks like those tribal people. Now, if I can a brush. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna use the LA Colors. Wait, this is no, this is Color Mates. I get my LA Colors and Color Mates confused, and I'm just gonna use this brush. And this is be my setter thing. You're just gonna put this all over your face. Oh, come on, bed. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna start my contouring using the Elizabeth Moss palette. And then this kind of brush. Yep. Just put it under my cheekbones. Some hand grenades. And then I'm just gonna do underneath. You look fabulous. I feel it. There's that. I'm not gonna blend it in yet. I'm gonna take my baking stuff. It's actually just baby powder. It looks like so weird. I'm gonna dab this. Don't need that much. I'm put it on the edge of my beauty blender. This is supposed to like lighten up wherever you put it. So I'm putting it under my eyes. And then check the time. To leave like soon. Ooh. And then I'm putting it over my contour stuff. And under it. I'm just gonna do the rest of my makeup, and then after I get done with that, I'm gonna go and blend that stuff out. Okay. Okay. So I have to find my crap. I'm gonna make this makeup tutorial simple. So I'm gonna go in my nudes palette. Yeah. So if a guy ever asks you for nudes, just send him a picture of this. Just so I can find the brush I'm looking for. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. I think this is e.l.f. Yes, e.l.f. Ooh. And then you're gonna take this dark brown right there. Ooh, it's the sparklier one. And then you're gonna put on the outer side of your eyelid, like so. You see me in there? I have to fix my eyeshadow already. Then you're gonna go in with the second darkest, lightest thingy. So I like that color, if you can see that. Sparkly. Put on the inner stuff. There's that, both of those colors on. Then I'm gonna go in with this color for between those two colors. Just gonna kind of like dab it, and then instead of rubbing, dabbing works better sometimes. And I'm just gonna go in with this brush, also from e.l.f., and blend it out. And then I'm gonna go in and do my crease and find it. And blonde my glasses. This, wait, no, that's not it. That's not it. The e.l.f. eye crease brush. And then you're gonna go into the color all the way over here, the lightest, and put it on your crease. There's the eyeshadow portion. So I'm gonna go in with my wing, but no, wait. I'm gonna do a wing, you know? I don't have enough time. No, I need more glitter. Okay, what time is it? Okay, we have plenty of time, hopefully. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just gonna take this really tiny eyeliner that I've had for a while. Without my lower eyelashes. And then I'm going to put it underneath the top eyelid, if that makes any sense, like underneath your lashes. I don't know why, but it always looks better when I do it. Now I'm going to go in with my wing curler. Got this from like Dollar General or something like that. For a good thing. Yeah, I pinched my eyeball. Ooh, that hurts when you do that. Oh, that hurt. Oh, there's that. I'm gonna go in with this Perfect Curve by LA Color mascara. It's always handy to have like smaller mirror so you can see what you're doing. And then I'm gonna go back in and then blend out my face. I was gonna do something, but I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, I contour my nose and stuff. I take my crease brush. I don't know why. Seems like an easy brush to use for this. I'm gonna take the bake. Where'd my bake go? Oh, there it is. I'm just gonna use a brush and line that out with it. Just like white eyeshadow. Now that's baked too. I'm gonna go back in and blend stuff out. I might try to pierce myself soon. There is my makeup tutorial. If you like it, make sure you go down to the bottom, like, subscribe, and if you're not, like, comment, and then if you don't subscribe, subscribe. It's a good idea to subscribe. Until next time, bye!